Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a culinary journey to Thailand as we explore one of the most beloved dishes of Thai cuisine. Som Tam, the tantalizing green papaya salad. Som Tam is a vibrant and refreshing salad that embodies the essence of Thai flavors. It's a perfect harmony of sweet, sour, spicy, and salty, making it an absolute delight for your taste buds. Before we dive into the kitchen, let's discover the rich history of Som Tam. This iconic salad traces its roots to the northeastern region of Thailand, where fresh ingredients were easily accessible. Over time, it spread throughout the country and became a staple of Thai street food. To create the authentic Som Tam experience, you'll need fresh and flavorful ingredients. Here's what you'll need: green papaya, cherry tomatoes, long beans, peanuts, Thai chilies, garlic, palm sugar, fish sauce, and lime. The star of the show is undoubtedly the green papaya. To bring out its crunchy texture, we'll peel and shred it using a special tool called a sao tip. Now, let's create the mouth-watering dressing. We'll combine Thai chilies and garlic for that spicy kick, palm sugar for sweetness, and a splash of fish sauce for umami. The lime juice adds a tangy twist that balances all the flavors. It's time to bring it all together. We'll toss the shredded green papaya, cherry tomatoes, and long beans in our zesty dressing. The aroma alone will make your taste buds dance. To add a delightful crunch and nutty flavor, we'll generously sprinkle crushed peanuts on top of our Som Tam. It's the perfect finishing touch. The beauty of Som Tam lies in its versatility. You can customize it to suit your taste. Add some grilled prawns, tofu, or even mango slices for a unique twist. The flavors burst in my mouth. The green papaya's crispness, the tangy dressing, the spice from the chilies, it's an explosion of tastes. Som Tam is more than just a salad. It's a cultural connection to Thailand. It reflects the vibrant street food scene and the warm, hospitable nature of Thai people. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors and get creative in your kitchen. The beauty of cooking lies in trying new things and embracing different cultures. Some unknown fact: Som Tam is also known as papaya pak pak in some regions of Thailand, inspired by the sound of pounding the ingredients in a mortar and pestle. Time to unveil the essential components that make Som Tam so extraordinary. The star of the show, of course, is the green papaya, accompanied by cherry tomatoes, long beans, Thai chilies, peanuts, garlic, lime, palm sugar, and fish sauce. The traditional way of making Som Tam involves using a wooden mortar and pestle, which not only blends the ingredients but also imparts a unique flavor to the salad. Now, let's create the magical dressing that brings all the flavors together. Thai chilies for a spicy kick, garlic for a pungent twist, palm sugar for sweetness, fish sauce for umami, and lime juice for that tangy burst. Thai chilies, also known as prick ki no, are tiny but fiery hot. They can vary in spiciness, so be cautious while adding them to your Som Tam. Shredding the green papaya is an art in itself, ensuring that each bite offers a delightful crunch. Now, we'll combine the shredded papaya, cherry tomatoes, and long beans with our tantalizing dressing. The flavors are starting to come alive. Som Tam is traditionally eaten with sticky rice, khao nu, to balance the spiciness and add a pleasant contrast to the meal. To add a final layer of deliciousness, we'll generously sprinkle crushed peanuts on top. It's the perfect way to add a nutty twist to our Som Tam. Peanuts not only add a wonderful crunch to Som Tam but also provide a dose of healthy fats and protein. Time for the moment of truth. Let's dive into this burst of flavors. Som Tam comes in various levels of spiciness, ranging from mild to Thai spicy, extra hot. Be sure to inform the vendor or adjust the chilies according to your preference. In northeastern Thailand, Som Tam is sometimes made with green mango instead of green papaya, offering a delightful tangy flavor. Beyond its tantalizing taste, Som Tam has cultural significance in Thailand. It symbolizes the vibrant street food culture and the sense of togetherness among family and friends. As we savor every bite of this fantastic salad, let's remember that Som Tam captures the heart of Thai cuisine. a perfect blend of flavors that makes it truly exceptional. The name, Som Tam, itself means sour pounded, highlighting the traditional method of preparing the salad in a mortar and pestle. That concludes our journey through the delightful world of Thai Som Tam. We hope you enjoyed this flavorful adventure. Thank you for joining us today. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more global culinary experiences. Until next time, keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep spreading love through food. Remember, every bite is an opportunity to embrace a new culture. Sawadee ka. Goodbye.